In this video, we are going to see the direction of torque experienced by an electric dipole in the uniform electric field using a right-hand rule. This torque vector is equal to cross product of an electric dipole moment vector and external electric field vector. That is, tau vector is equal to P vector cross E vector. This torque is always perpendicular to the plane, and we see the direction of torque using right-hand rule. Let's consider this uniform electric field. When an electric dipole is kept in this uniform electric field, torque will be produced. Here we see how to find out the direction of the torque using right-hand screw rule. For this, you have to stretch out the right hand of thumb and other fingers perpendicular to each other. Here, other fingers' direction should be as the direction of the external electric field. Next, we see the direction of an electric dipole. It moves from positive to negative, so its direction is clockwise direction. Then rotate the other fingers towards an electric dipole direction, that is clockwise direction. Then thumb direction shows the direction of the torque.